Okay, so let's open this up. First, we got packaging, more packaging, the lube I ordered, some more packaging, a little more packaging, with the cube I ordered inside it. This is shiny. And a free gift from Cube, and some more packaging under it. Let's look at what you are here for. This is the Aosu V7 4x4 single track magnetic version. Okay, so we are presented with the cube and accessories box. I think this is a minimalist packaging which I really appreciate. It has the classic screwdriver and there's a card as well. It's time to open up the cube. Taking a first look at the cube, the colors look really nice. They are really similar to the RSCM 2020. That appears to be something. It looks like the corner piece is a little open from the side. Let's ignore that part for now. Okay, so it is time to do some first turns on this cube. Okay, the magnets are very snappy and I kind of like that on this cube since it is like really fast. It almost feels like it is maglev even though it is not. And I think the inner layers are pretty good as well. The outer layers are just like it was a 3x3 and the inner layers are amazingly good for a 4x4. All the lockups you're seeing and those kind of things, it's just because I'm not used to this cube right now. Otherwise, it's a really good cube. Out of the box, it's a little dry, but I think that can be fixed easily with some lube. Okay, let's try the patty algorithm. That was really nice. Oh, I messed that up. Since I already messed it up, I guess it's time to do a solve. Oh wait, I almost forgot to test the corner cutting. So here, let's just try the corner cut. So this is first line, that can be cut easily. Second line, okay, we cannot do second line. What about middle? Okay, so the corner cutting for normal corner cutting is about the half piece here. That can be cut about the half, or maybe just a little less. Yeah, about this is easy, line to line, and just a little more. I think that's the limit on the stock cube. And if we check for the middle layers, doing line to line here, that can be cut a little more. Okay, so the line to line is maximum for normal corner cutting. And checking reverse. Okay, reverse is kind of mid. Okay, so reverse corner cutting is a little weird here. So this much I can cut. Okay, yeah. Okay, so reverse corner cutting, I'm a little disappointed. It could be better, but the thing is I've only used this good 4x4. The other one I have is just the basic one you get in a normal shop around anywhere. So I think this is pretty good. Yeah, let's just do a quick solve again. And by the way, I am bad at 4x4. I'm done with the centers, it's time to do edge fading. I'm done with the centers, it's time to do the edge fading. We're done with the cross. Oh, I left one. We're done. I messed up the centers. Oh my god. Okay, so basically just messed up the centers. And that's a horrific thing, actually. So it looks like blue needs to go here. Let's put this out. Is everything fixed now? Yes, it is. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Yes, it's fixed. It's not fixed. Okay. So it means these need to switch places, and then these need to switch places. Does it do that? Yeah, that's it. Okay. We got parity. Then I think we ended just with an R perm again. What's me and R perm? Like, oh, we got both the parities in one. That's actually so bad. Okay, time to do edge parity. Okay, we are done. And a Y perm, and we are done. I'm not even timing my solves because I'm so bad at 4x4, and after doing the solve I can rightfully say that this performs really good in a solve. I think just turning blindly it might stutter a little bit if it catches in something, but as I'm getting used to the cube, the catches have gotten very less in comparison to when I just unboxed it. And yeah, this is a really nice cube. If you're considering to get this, I think you should really get it. This is the single track version, and the only difference between the tracks is the number of magnets, so I think the speed and everything should be same. And the magnet strength, I think this is like even the best 4x4 at its at the lowest one we can get. So if you're looking to buy this, do not think twice, just get it. The only thing you need to consider is which version to get. And I've got the single track, and I think it's pretty good. It's worth. And yeah, that's it for the video. That's the review.